Welcome to Power Moto for all things motorcycle. Thanks guys for tuning in. And in this episode, we'll be doing an in-depth exploration of the 2000 Kawasaki ZX 12R motorcycle. We're diving into every feature, benefit, product detail, and bike facts. Spread the love with fellow Kawasaki enthusiasts on all your favorite social media platforms. Stay tuned for more exciting Japanese motorcycle bikes on
Power Moto, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on!
And I came to raw.
Power Moto.
Yeah. Ninja. Yeah. Ninja. Look at that cow, baby. Sexy. Shark.
It's got the shark, baby. It's on Power Moto. Subscribe today. Look at this thing.
Look at this thing. Let's go for a ride.
Let me hear it. Let me see it. Let's go. Filming in progress on Power Moto. Let's do it. I can't hear you.
Ladies, we're buying drinks. It's on Power Moto. Subscribe today. All right, Ulysses, good job. POWA Moto. YouTube's #1 biker. All right.
The Kawasaki Ninja ZX 12R is a motorcycle in the Ninja Sports Bike series made by Kawasaki from 2000 through 2006. The 1,199cc inline-4 engine produced 178 horsepower at low speed, and it increased it to 190 horsepower at high speed due to its ram air intake, making it the most powerful production motorcycle up until 2006 and the release of the ZX14. It was a contender to be the fastest production motorcycle and played a role in bringing to a truce the escalating competition to build an ever faster motorcycle. That's right, its top speed was electronically limited to 186 miles an hour, tying it with the Suzuki Hayabusa and the Kawasaki Ninja ZX14 as the fastest production motorcycle on the market. Oh yeah, Kawasaki. For many owners, the Kawasaki ZX12R combines the best aspects of the Honda Blackbird or Hayabusa, but mixes in a dose of good old-fashioned Larry fun. The Kawasaki ZX12R is a beefy, roomy sports tourer with an engine that keeps tempting you to open it up. Decent build quality too. Oh my god! Bike facts. The boring stroke of the motorcycle is 83mm by 55.4mm. The compression ratio is 12.2 to 1. Top speed is 186 miles an hour limited. The torque is 137 Nm. In other words, 91.2 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheel. The transmission is a 6-speed sequential manual chain drive transmission. The suspension, the front forks are 43mm, KYD inverted telescopic fork with adjustable preload and 12-way rebound and 12-way compression dampening. Oh my god! What a travel bike! The brakes are killer with unstoppable stopping power. The front dual semi-floating 320mm 13-inch disc brakes with dual 6-piston Takiko calipers are stopping the baby fast. The tires from the manufacturer were Dunlop Sport Max 2 D207. The rake and trail for some of you real techo geeks. 23.5 degree, and 93 millimeters. The wheelbase at 1,440 millimeters. This bike rocks! Seat height of only 31.9 and a weight of only 463 pounds dry, 545 pounds wet. That's right, wet, you know, when you put all the fluids in it. Don't forget you can go far on your Kawasaki ZX 12R. The fuel capacity is 5.3 US gallons. Oh my God! Fuel consumption, this bike gets to the 32.1 miles per gallon. Fantastic! And its turning radius of only 3 meters or 9.8 feet. Thanks again for tuning in to this episode of Bike Reviews on Pawamoto. Share your thoughts on this incredible bike in the comments below, and don't forget to spread the love with fellow Kawi enthusiasts on all your favorite social media platforms.
What do we have here?
Stay tuned for more exciting Japanese motorcycle products on Pawamoto.
Look at the shark. We got a shark fin. With the, what's that called right there, bro?
It's a poo-poo scooper.
Pooper scooper? Show me right now on Pawamoto.
Subscribe today, Ninja.
Oh, nice! Oh my God! ZX 12R! It's on Pawamoto! Nice, bro.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos, and thanks for subscribing. We out!